outside video for 50 Seagull, which is in Countryside. There's the front. Got a beautiful porch inside there. Nice big carport. Look at that. They love to sit outside. Isn't that nice? There's your view. Wow, definitely a double driveway. Could even almost fit 3 cars, but they've got the golf cart up here at the front. Everything's protected. And they got a nice big storage shed. A washer and dryer. You can see it holds lots of things in here. And we're going to go around the side of the house. Isn't it beautiful here? Plenty of privacy. A fence all along the back. And look at this nice big outdoor pop-up they have. And they are leaving it. Plenty of room. There's the backyard. Isn't that nice? It's a really lovely home, inside and out. And another storage shed. As you can see, they got a lot of stuff in there, but that's what they're made for. And we'll come along. Here's another view of the backyard. A lot of privacy, woods, and a nice fence. This is the back of the home. Very well taken care of, I'll say that. Okay, we're coming down the other side of the home. Air conditioners in excellent condition. Okay, got the clamshell awnings for the outside to cover. There's the porch again. There's the front of the home. Okay. Again, this is 50 Seagull, Countryside, which is in Vero Beach, Florida. I'm Jackie. I work for 4 Star Homes, 203-592-1350. Thank you.